Well guys, as you guys can tell, the Galant does not sound good. It sounds like a open header. Well, it is. I'll go show you guys the turbo manifold. But it's kind of funny, literally 2 days after I get the Integra pretty much done, the Galant breaks. So I just want to have both of them running again. So let's go ahead and go look at the damage, and we can go from there. There it is, guys. Turbo manifold broke. It's a lot of weight on this, so it was bound to happen eventually, especially with how hard I launched the car. So probably needs another brace for the turbo somewhere, but definitely broke. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the turbo manifold, take it to my friend that can weld this and put it back on and be good to go. But yeah. And I knew something was wrong because I kept hearing a hissing noise and I could not figure out from where. And I thought it was the motor or the head. Turns out to be it's had a crack in this for a little bit, I guess. So yep, go ahead and pull this guy off and go from there. Alright, I'm getting the last bolts out from the top. Top ones are a bit of a pain to get to, but this is the last one. That one was already loose. This one's, I pulled the stud out. Well, the stud came out instead of the nut. So I finished that one. Here it is, broken turbo manifold. Of course, the wastegate hits. Wastegate real quick. Darn it. Okay guys, the turbo manifold is off. It's pretty damn heavy. And now I just got to take it to a friend. I just fought it to remove it. The wastegate was a bit of a pain, and I'm kind of short on time. I accidentally ripped the vacuum line. But I got things to do today, so I had to hurry up. But there it is, and the flange is right here. So this will be fixed. Today is, I never know the date, May 20th. Probably be a while till you guys see this video, but next weekend I need to take the Galant out racing, so look forward to those videos. Also, don't forget, I do sell grounding kits. These are my upgraded wire kits. This one is for a J series test fitting kit for a TL, I believe it is. So that's getting shipped out. Don't forget they come with stickers. And this is for a Galant Vr-4. So thank you guys for the support. Like, subscribe, share the video. Link is in the description if you guys want a grounding kit. I have several chassis mocked up, and I make them to order. So, and if you guys don't see a color you like, let me know, and I will see if I can get it. But turbo manifold's off, Galant's down, soon to be fixed, and soon to be back up and running. But yeah, figured I'd give you guys a little quick video. But thanks guys, and still Centra still same, still in the same spot. But thanks guys, and till next time.